Welcome to DeepFake Academy. Today, we're diving deep into the world of deepfake AI tutorials, exploring the step-by-step process of creating your own deepfake videos. To embark on your deepfake journey, you'll first need a substantial amount of data. This includes gathering images and videos of the person you intend to deepfake. The richness of this dataset is critical as it enables the AI to learn and mimic the facial expressions, movements, and speech patterns of your target. Next, you'll need to select a suitable deepfake software tool. There are several options available, each with its own strengths and complexities. Popular choices include DeepFaceLab, known for its robust features and advanced customization options, and FaceSwap, favored for its user-friendly interface and active community support. Once you've chosen your tool, installing the software and familiarizing yourself with its interface and features is essential. Now let's delve into the training phase, the heart of deepfake creation. This step is both time-consuming and computationally intensive. During training, the AI model meticulously analyzes the dataset you've provided, learning to recognize and replicate the nuances of your subject's facial expressions and mannerisms. Depending on the power of your hardware and the size of your dataset, this training process can range from several hours to days. Once the AI has completed its training, you're ready to start crafting your deepfake video. Begin by importing your source video, the footage where you want to integrate your deepfake character. Using the deepfake software, apply the learned characteristics onto this source video. Adjusting settings such as blending, lighting, and facial alignment will help refine the authenticity and quality of your deepfake output. After applying these adjustments, it's time to render and export your deepfake creation. This final step converts your project into a cohesive video file that you can share or use as intended. Before finalizing, it's crucial to review the video meticulously. Pay attention to details like naturalness of facial movements, consistency in lip syncing, and overall visual coherence. Ensuring your deepfake looks convincing and natural is not only a testament to your technical skills, but also a measure of responsible usage of this powerful technology. Throughout this tutorial, we emphasize the ethical considerations of deepfake creation. While deepfake technology offers exciting creative possibilities, its misuse can lead to misinformation and potentially harmful consequences. It's vital to approach deepfake creation with awareness and responsibility, always considering the implications of your work. Thank you for joining us at DeepFake Academy. If you found this tutorial insightful and informative, please show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more in-depth explorations into AI, technology, and ethical practices in digital media. Together, let's navigate the evolving landscape of deepfake technology with knowledge and integrity.